Today I'll share a little of our progress on Socra 1. Our vision for this new version of Socra is to have humans and AIs working together to achieve a goal. And one of our biggest goals at the moment is to build Socra itself, so I will share how we are doing this on the platform. So here, welcome to my home. You can see that I have multiple items that I'm currently working on. These items, we call them socras. This first socra in particular, you can see that I'm working on it with Mike and GPT-4 to create keyboard shortcuts for our platform. I have assigned this item to Mike, and I'm able to assign this item to different AIs and different people. One of the main things of this new platform is that you are able to collaborate with others. You can add any collaborators you'd like. You can invite them. You can set different permissions, such as editor, commenters, and viewers. And you can also set the general access for public, so others are able to see how you are able to solve that problem, achieve that goal, and so on. So this is how the collaboration part of it works. So I started this item by describing what we needed to do. So it was to create shortcuts, and I proposed some shortcuts. Here you can see that as soon as I created an item, our first workflow kicked in. So this workflow in particular is used for long-term memory. That's how our agents will be able to use your history, context, and backgrounds to execute tasks. And the workflow is what make it possible for them to execute those tasks for you. Here, you can see that I went back and forth with GPT-4 on how we should do those shortcuts. Mike jumped in, he asked a question, I asked GPT-4 to check that for me, and we are able to jump into different chats with people and AIs, and if I have any questions or if I need anything, let's say that I want to talk to GPT-4, I can get a nice focused view and talk to it about whatever I need to do at the moment. For each of these socras, I'm also able to add tasks and files, so I can keep everything organized in one place. But here's the thing. The main thing that makes Socra powerful is its hierarchical structure. Because at the end of the day, we are able to break down big, complex goals and tasks into smaller tasks, and then assign each of these items to specialized agents or different people in your team, so you can make progress to whatever you are doing. At the moment, AI systems are not good at completing like long-term tasks by themselves. So that's what makes it all possible. It's the hierarchical planning. So let me show you this in practice. Here you can see different projects that I'm currently working on. Socra 1 being the main one. And you can see that this is a huge project, right? We have so much that we have to take into consideration, like systems, algorithms, how we are gonna do groups and sharing and features. And even within features, we are gonna have multiple things that we have to work to make those features possible. So like this left panel, for example, is what you're looking at right now. You can see that we had many items that we were able to plan and execute with the help of AI. And over here, I'm also able to filter those items and see what I have left to do. I can filter them by priority, by assignee, and so on. So this is the main overview of this version of Socra. Currently, we are finalizing workflows, so people would be able to create their own workflows, and even AIs would be able to create their own workflows. And this is what will allow this platform to do work for you while you sleep. That's the goal. So if you'd like early access to this version of Socra and you're interested in trying this out while we are finalizing things to be able to release it, just let me know and I would love to add you.